Claude users are getting fed up with being lectured by an AI that they are paying to use. Screenshots of Claude warning users about their language, accusing them of bad intent, and even shutting down conversations have triggered a fresh backlash online, with some users saying that they have finally had enough and are cancelling their subscriptions. Before we dive back into the story, let me quickly tell you about Cypher 2026. We'll be at KTPO Bengaluru from October 7th to 9th with an exciting lineup, including chess grandmaster Arjun Erigaisi, creative producer Lakshmi R. Iyer, and climate tech innovator Sumit Thakar. If big ideas and new perspectives excite you, this is the place and this is the stage you don't want to miss. Get your passes now. With that, here's the story. Now, the complaints are not really about Claude refusing dangerous requests. Users are frustrated with something much more basic. The feeling that Claude is increasingly telling them how they should speak, what they should think, and what their questions say about their character. One Reddit user recently described Claude as increasingly reprimanding and judging them, saying that they were tired of the back and forth when they simply wanted a direct answer. And now the screenshots are spreading across X. Some users are even posting messages where Claude appears to issue what they describe as last warnings over tone before ending the conversation. Others are simply saying that they are cancelling. One user declared he had finally had enough before cancelling his subscription, while another called for a user to cancel Anthropic subscriptions altogether. Now, there is an interesting problem here. Anthropic's own constitution explicitly says that Claude should not unnecessarily assume bad intent or add excessive warnings or lecture or moralize when users have not asked for ethical guidance or even become preachy, sanctimonious, or paternalistic. Anthropic itself says that this kind of behavior makes Claude more annoying and less useful. So the current backlash is simply users demanding an AI with no boundaries. It is users arguing that AI should know the difference between refusing something which is genuinely harmful and turning an ordinary interaction into a moral lecture. Now, the frustration is also arriving at a particularly awkward moment for Anthropic, because just earlier this month, Anthropic announced that future Claude models will embed an invisible watermark in their generated text, allowing systems to determine whether Claude was involved in producing it or not. Anthropic says that the move is connected to transparency requirements under the EU AI Act. Yet that announcement has already triggered another wave of subscription cancellations and complaints online. Anthropic, however, has said that it has not seen a significant increase in cancellations related to the watermark issue. So there are two very different complaints and different issues that are now being sort of bundled together. One is about what Claude says to you. The other is about what Claude leaves behind in the text it produces. Ladies and gentlemen, here, of course, is the front page take on the story. This is becoming less about whether Claude is safe and more about who gets to define what helpful actually means. Claude has built Anthropic has built much of Claude's identity around being careful, thoughtful, and responsible. But there is a fine line between an AI that refuses something for a legitimate reason and an AI that makes the user feel like they are doing something wrong and they are being scolded by a machine. And that distinction matters even more when people are paying for the product. The scale of cancellations is still unclear, and social media posts obviously cannot tell us really how many subscribers are actually leaving, but the signal is hard to miss. So let us know what you think in the comment section below. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.